Most pages aren't bad. They're just missing the structure AI needs to use them. No schema telling the engine what the page is. No meta description for the preview. An FAQ section with no FAQ markup. Content gaps scans your whole site for those misses, and, for most of them, fixes them where they sit. One scan reads every published post, page, and product. For each one, it checks the things that decide whether an engine can parse you. Is there a JSON-LD schema? Is the schema actually valid? Is there a meta description? Is there FAQ or step-by-step content that should be marked up? Is the title built for extraction? It comes back with a ranked list of gaps, worst first. You read it the way that fits the job. Triage list when you want to fix a page at a time, top down. Group by fix when you'd rather knock out one problem everywhere at once. Every page missing schema in a single pass. A sort control puts the worst pages or the most broken pages at the top. And these fixes are real, not suggestions. Add the missing JSON-LD and it writes a valid schema block to the page. Generate the meta description and it saves to Yoast, Rank Math, or AEO, whatever you run. Find FAQ content and it builds FAQPage markup from your own questions and answers. Each one changes the page, then the gap clears on the next scan. Needed across dozens of pages. Select them, hit autofix, and it works through the list with a live progress bar and a stop button. Because each fix spends a credit and writes to a real page, it tells you the cost up front and never fires silently. You decide, then it runs. It's also honest about limits. Thin content and schema errors that need a human are flagged, not faked. Titles generate 5 options for you to pick from. Because changing a title is your call, not a robot's. You get the structure handled automatically, and the judgment calls left to you. Content Gaps is free in AEO God mode. Search AEO God mode under Add New Plugins, install it, run one scan, and start clearing the gaps that keep AI from using your pages. No card, no trial. Start at aeogodmode.io.